I did not expect that to happen. Hold a second. Alright, welcome back everyone. I'm packing to go to St. Lucia. I'm actually trying to figure out how I'm going to record this video or where. I've been doing everything on the table, so I might do that, but that might be kind of odd. So I was actually thinking about doing it in the bedroom. Yeah, no. No. We're going to St. Lucia in like 2 days. I have not packed yet. I need to pack. I have a box of a whole bunch of stuff. And we just got these new Monos luggage, a little handbag and a small carry-on. So I have to figure out how to put this big box of clothes. Hold on, let me go get it to show you. It's literally the biggest box ever. Okay. Okay, so all of that I need to get into the small Monos luggage, but luckily I think there's a lot of compartments in it, so hopefully I can get that done. We have 2 days. I have a lot of other stuff that I need to do, so, and I also have to work the next 2 days, so let's see if I could get this done. Gonna make some coffee, still thinking about how I'm going to pack all that stuff into the luggage, but with everything else that's like going on with travel, I can't check a bag in. I can't. There's not an option. Okay, I have some brew now, so I can finally get into packing everything. Let me show y'all. That's the big bag. I don't know how we're gonna work that out, but let's see. There's actually a couple things that I wanted to highlight. I got my husband these Bose frames, the Tenor style. They have speakers in them. I really haven't gotten a chance to really use them, but pretty excited. So it comes in this box, and you open. The case is pretty deep, and these are them. If you open it, there's speakers on the side. So I've heard that they're really good for vacation. If you're just on the beach, you don't really want to play loud music, then it's a good option. And it also comes with a charging port. Wait, how do you charge them? Oh, right here with this. It just looked a little different. So there's this, and it's a magnet, but that'll be so cool. Then the next thing, which is on the line of glasses, which I actually can't find the sunglasses right now, but I'm gonna show you. There's this company that I ordered from online. It's called Zelool. Don't know if that's how you say it, but I was able to snag some of their glasses. So I got 2 different frames, and I was really excited to get prescription sunglasses because I wear contacts, and like with nails, sometimes it's hard to get the contacts out, and also wearing contacts is just a pain. But I was able to get a few new frames. I'm just gonna show y'all 2. So these really, I love these. They're big, they're different. I love them. So my idea is that I can change my glasses with my outfit, so love them. And these are clear. I feel like they can pretty much go with anything. Really like that little pouch and glasses cleaner, which I really like. And it comes with this, the PD calculator, measurement, not calculator, to tell you the distance between each pupil. That's the purpose of it. You know that thing that the doctors don't like to give you because they want you to buy their glasses? Yeah, this comes with a ruler so you can measure it yourself. And then glasses were in these. And oh, a coupon. I didn't even know that. But yeah, really excited for that. But let's get into the packing. I found them. The sunglasses. I guess I already packed them away, or not packed them, I put them in the duffel. But they're black. They're not the trendiest, but I've literally never had prescription sunglasses, so this is really new and I'm just excited about it. I really like them. They're black. Most of my bikinis are black and pink. All right, for real, back to the packing. This is the bottom piece, this is the top. I think I'm gonna put everything in the bottom. Yeah, so let's actually switch this around. Put all my swimmies up here. Okay, wow, I'm actually sweating. I did not expect that to happen. Hold a second. All right, now I still have my duffel that I can put things in. It's actually pretty spacious. I think I'm gonna put my purses in here, and then that goes here, and ready. That was harder to do than I thought it would have been. I am sweating. Yeah. Probably shouldn't have made that coffee. But yeah, that's it. If you want to see the outfits and if you're interested in a travel vlog, stay tuned. I don't know how travel vloggers and vloggers in general do it, because that was actually really hard to try to fit everything in my suitcase, 1, record myself doing it, 2, and finding a good place to record. But really excited to go to St. Lucia. Yeah, it'll be fun. And I don't think, from what I've seen on like other people's videos, I don't think there's a lot of people like staying at these resorts, so we might feel like we kind of have the entire place to ourselves. Not really sure, but I'm really excited for that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me through this chaos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.